How to fix Roblox unknown error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, click on it and then click apps again, and now just scroll all the way down until you find here Roblox, and then click on it. And as you see here, you will find force stop. Click force stop and then click storage. Now click clear cache and then go to permissions and allow all of those permissions here, camera and microphone, and then go back and go to data usage and allow mobile data and background data and Wi-Fi, all of those. Now just go back and clear some space. You can clear it from your gallery if you want, or you can just clear it from storage. And that's it. Then just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And see you in the next video.